Okay, so greatest common factor, just a reminder, that is called GCF. The first thing that you need to know is what a factor is. These are numbers which are multiplied together.
GCF?
No, yes, GCF is what we're studying, but a factor are numbers which are multiplied together.
Well, I'm just writing it down. As quick as I can.
Ready? So, composite numbers have two or more factors. Has more than two factors. So factors are like 2 times 4 are factors of 8. 2 times 6 is 12. Those are factors of 12. Okay, so prime numbers are numbers that it's a number that only has 2 factors. One in itself, okay? So we're going to use all of this information to find the GCF. And what I also want to do is I want to give you a list of the first, I want to give you all the prime factors that are less than 100, okay? So we're going to write them down. So when we do our factor trees, these are the numbers we're looking for. So our first set of prime numbers are, well, here are our prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, you do not have to keep up with me, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 83, 89, and 97. Those are all the prime numbers that are less than 100. And these are the ones that we will be looking for when we do a prime factorization, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a prime factorization, which is a tree of prime numbers. Well, I don't want to exactly say that. It's a tree of factors that we're trying to break down into a bunch of prime numbers. And we're looking for these numbers. I will tell you that we're going to see a lot of 2s, 3s, 5s, 7s, and 11s. Those are the ones that are really big and popular. Okay, so let's do 32. So the first thing I'm going to ask you is I'm going to ask you for 2 numbers that you can multiply to get 32. What are 2 numbers you can multiply to get 32?
16 and 2.
16 and 2. Okay, our job is to circle the prime numbers. So, is 2 a prime number? Is 16 a prime number? 2 is a prime number, so we're going to circle 2. That means once you circle a number, you don't want any more, I call them branches, to come off of it. Okay, what are 2 numbers you can multiply to get 16?
8 and 2.
Okay. Two is a prime number. How do we know 2 is a prime number? Well, I already circled it and it's in my list, so I'm going to circle it again. So anytime we're really focusing on our prime numbers, that's what we want. Okay, what are 2 numbers you can multiply to get 8?
4 and 2.
Okay, and 2 numbers you can multiply to get 4. Now we stop when there's nothing, like every number is circled and they can't grow branches. So like 2 is circled, we already took care of 16, we took care of 8. So my GCF, no, I'm sorry. My factorization of 32 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We only are interested in the numbers we circled. That is what we call a prime factorization. We're only gonna make it look like a number with all prime numbers. So what we're looking for is we're looking for prime numbers.